Hey folks, I have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe Z71. I have to replace the rear brake line. What I'm going to do is climb up under here. What I did is I pulled it up on these ramps. I left that wheel on the ramp. I jacked this one up and put it on a jack stand because I needed to get inside there, take the plastic piece here out. Made it a whole lot easier to get that brake line out and back in. And before you crawl under here, you need to remove your spare tire because you're going to have your head right up inside there, because right over here is the brake line, as you can see right there. That's where it goes to the left and the right rear brake, but that's not your main line. Now as you get up under here, you go right up here and you can maneuver both of your arms back in there, and you can remove that brake line really easily. You don't have to take no clip or anything off. As you can see, I've already got mine bolted back up. Take a good look at it there. And what I did, this 9/16 wrench has been cut off to 4.5 inches. And it worked really well. I don't have much of a light, but as you can see, that nice clean pipe right there. After I got it bent the same as the old one, I got right up in there with the same 4.5 inch wrench and tightened it down.